Hey guys, it's me from the future. I need your help on something before we start this video. I want to come up with a name for this series where I'm touring properties with agents that are currently on the market for rent or for sale. And I have been trying to come up with a name for this series for quite some time, so I'm coming to you. Obviously something like open house would make sense, but I think that's taken by another channel and I want something a little bit more unique. So if you guys could help me out, come up with some name suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'm literally gonna pick one of them because I am tired of thinking about this. One more thing before we go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on post notifications. So I will leave you with that. Let's get to the video.
Jacqueline Rossiter with Compass. We're about to go on a tour of 102 South Oxford Street, which is a brownstone in Fort Greene, Brooklyn. It was built in 1871, but the city didn't record it until 1899. There's a ton of original details. The owner's done a lot of work too. 3 family with 5 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms. The price of this beautiful brownstone is $3,695,000, and I'm so excited to take you on this tour.
So we have someone who was born and bred in Brooklyn, so you know she knows what she's talking about, but you lived in New Jersey for a little bit.
My husband's from Central Jersey.
Okay.
I'm from Brooklyn, so we chose Jersey City as a happy medium.
Nice.
It only lasted for about 2 years, and then we're back in Brooklyn.
We've got you back.
So you see this exposed brick?
Yes, this is beautiful.
It was painted over, but in some of the other places in the house, you'll see the real exposed brick.
Down here it looks really nice and bright, especially being on the lower floor, it keeps it bright. So
Yeah.
I like that they did that here.
Yeah, me too. And then they put in these beams. I don't think they're original to the home, but it definitely adds a lot of character and charm.
They look like they completely go with the home.
So over here, are pocket shutters, which are original to the home. They're perfect to allow light in or create some privacy given that you're on the garden level. The wood detail and everything, this is original to the home. They're really, really gorgeous.
Before we go any further, we have a little mascot here.
Buddy.
Buddy is like the cutest thing in the whole entire world.
He's like, what's that in my face?
He hasn't shown us that much personality. He's literally been laying on this couch the whole time that we've been here.
So you've got a full bath here. My favorite part of the whole entire house is this stove. It's original to the home, so it's probably 1871. It's a Boynton Lakewood stove. It's super heavy and absolutely beautiful, so they kept it.
You have the exposed brick, the like original exposed brick. So if you like the light out there, but you want it original here, then you've got that.
Here you have the kitchen. You have a double door fridge. You've got this deep farmhouse sink. You've got the pot filler here, which is great if you're cooking pasta for the family. 6-range stove. And this beautiful Calcutta Gold marble island.
We talked a little bit on the phone before we got here, and you have a little bit of an interesting story. Some may say it's, you know, not that great, but you have such a positive outlook about it. Jackie is willing to tell, but she has had breast cancer.
Yes, I am a 5-year breast cancer thriver.
Ooh, I like that, thriver.
Thriver, I know, not just surviving, I'm thriving. So it was July 4th weekend 2015. I was in the shower and I felt a lump in my breast, but my daughter was only 10 months old at the time, so I thought it was a clogged milk duct. But lo and behold, after going to the doctors and stuff like that, they told me I had invasive breast cancer. That was the hardest experience of my life. My life was normal, and then I was told I had breast cancer. Like, it immediately changes everything. I went through surgery. I had a bilateral mastectomy. I went through 6 months of aggressive chemotherapy.
Wow.
And 9 more months of targeted therapy. After that, lost my hair, eyebrows.
You did what you had to do.
I did what I had to do.
And look at you now.
Yes. So this is an all-season sunroom. They've got heating and cooling, and this is where they spend a lot of their time. And you've got the Malm mid-century wood burning fireplace here. So this sunroom is facing west,
Okay.
gets great sunlight. These windows, as you can see, open, and there's a doorway that leads you out into the backyard.
Ah, I love this. So you didn't even have to fully go outside to experience the outdoors.
No.
Plus it's summer and it's really muggy and hot, so if you just want a little taste of it, but you can like close the doors really quickly.
Yeah, I love this addition. It's great to have some outdoor space in New York City. This outdoor space hasn't been landscaped, but there's so much potential.
And then what is this? This is a pond in
Koi
the middle of the
pond.
backyard.
Koi pond. They've had these fish in here for a really, really long time.
We're just letting in a little bit of light for you guys. We're on the parlor floor now in the main bedroom, right?
Correct. This is the master bedroom on parlor level. You've got oversized windows, super high ceilings, king size bed.
So you know the bedroom is big. You can fit anything.
You could add more furniture in here. And then look at the archway over there too.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Little reading nook.
And then you have 2 closets here.
Yep.
So you don't have to share, because you guys know I don't like to share. And then another one of the fireplace that we have.
Yes, original mantle. So the owners have done some of their own reconfiguration here for their family needs.
Yeah, it's definitely not traditional, but I like it.
Me either. My 17-year-old would die for
You
this.
have a basketball court. This looks regulation. I don't know, I'm not a basketball player. Even though I'm tall, doesn't mean I know how to play basketball,
I think
okay?
you can dunk on that.
You're the one that has the 17-year-old in the house.
Oh, we're gonna test my skills.
Let's see
right
if
now?
you know how to do it.
All right, no pressure.
The pressure's on.
I play some high school basketball.
So you got a reputation to uphold right now.
All right, you ready?
On the first try at that, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta give her a prop. She's a real estate agent making baskets in 4-inch heels.
Woo-hoo. So after we leave the basketball court, we're gonna show you the 2 rooms that we have here side by side. This is the first. As you can tell, ceiling height is still really high. You've got an oversized window there. They built in this custom bed. It's got steps on it. It's got a vent there to allow heating and cooling. Adorable little hammock here.
Are you gonna get in it?
Should I?
Yeah.
This is actually really relaxing.
I think we have to finish the tour. It's time. Let's go.
You don't want to get in?
No,
You
I
wanna try
think
it?
I'm good. Thank you. Let's go.
All right. Here we go. On to the next room.
So we just left the owner's suite, and where are we going next?
We're going to head up to the rental apartment, the income potential.
Yes, gotta make some money.
Exactly. So if someone were to buy this home, they'd have the garden and the parlor level along with the sunroom addition for their own personal use, and they can rent this out for income potential.
And how much would this go for? This 1-bedroom
So-
suite?
This is a large 1-bedroom with washer and dryer in prime Fort Greene,
Right?
35.
3,500.
And it's a great to offset your mortgage.
Absolutely.
Separate windowed kitchen, good ceiling height, nice windows, west facing, so you get a lot of great afternoon light.
This is a ton of light, and it's a very cloudy day today as well.
I
And
know it is.
we don't even have the lights on in here, so that's amazing.
True. So this is the barn door that I was talking to you about. I think it's a rather unique feature. You don't have a door that swings out and in, right? So let's head into the bedroom.
Oh, this is where all the magic happens, they say, right? I mean, not in my house, but maybe in this house.
Of course not. You've got a closet here. You've got 3 windows. You got pocket shutters. You're facing onto South Oxford, so you're like right on the tree line, which is nice. You
And
see the green.
It's really quiet too. And this room is huge. It's like a studio apartment.
It truly is. So here is a nice walk-in closet and washer dryer in a brownstone. What's not to like?
Jackie, we are in the last apartment, right? But before we go anywhere, the color of this door, I think I'm gonna have to take a picture of it because I think I want to paint some furniture in my bedroom this color. So I'm getting some inspiration from here already.
Awesome, awesome. This is a very unique unit.
Yeah, for sure.
This could be a second rental.
Right.
With even more income potential to offset the mortgage.
And how much would this go for?
Around 4,000.
That's pretty good.
It's a unique 1-bedroom loft space. So you have the common area here, the kitchen behind us, a washer dryer down here, and then up a flight of stairs, you have a 1-bedroom loft that's open up to the living room.
We're going to do the tour of this place, but I want to show you guys the 19-year-old cat, little Joey, just sleeping, hanging out.
He's chilling. We've got like double high ceiling height here.
It's amazing.
Probably about 20 feet or something. And walk this way, we've got 3 windows that extend the length of the building. Exposed brick here that add a lot of character.
And this amazing sunlight
Oh
coming
my
from the
God.
skylights.
I mean, this would be great for like an artist studio or photography. You just got a ton of natural light. So we're in the top floor 1-bedroom.
It's a big space too.
It is. It used to be an attic. The owners prior to the ones that own it now converted this space.
And I like it because it's super cozy. Like you can just come up here. It's like a little bit of a den. You come up here, you lay in bed. Maybe you can listen to the rain.
So we're in the kitchen now. This is toward the back of the house. West facing, really, really bright. Then we've got 3 large windows that are west facing, letting in a lot of light.
I think I see a building that you have some listings in, right? On Hanson Place.
Yes, 1 Hanson Place.
So another person who's going to start a YouTube channel, what are you going to have on your channel that they can see?
So you'll have a ton of real estate because that's what I do. I'm a mother of 3 beautiful children, so I'll get some mommy life in there.
We'd like to see that.
I'm also a brand ambassador for a charitable organization called 5 Under 40 that funds medical wellness and beauty services for women diagnosed with breast cancer under the age of 40.
That's amazing.
Because of my breast cancer journey, I like to give back and support women as much as I can. I mean, I've come a long way, but there's still a long way to go.
For other people, you have to keep it going. I would love for you guys to go check her out and go subscribe and go bother her and say I sent you in the comments. Once again, we are in Fort Greene, a 4-story, well, more like 4.5 stories, right? Because of the loft. 4-story brownstone listed for
$3,695,000.
You've got 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, an addition, an outdoor space, a koi pond, tons of marble fireplaces. I don't know what else you could want, but if you have $3.695 million, then they're gonna call you.
Yes, call me. I'm here.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next one.